Hi guys, let's learn the not function in Google Sheets. Let's say we have a column. Let's learn it by an example. So let's say we want to use not function and the condition is A1 greater than 50. Okay, and close the bracket. So it will return true if it is not, this condition is not met. If it will return false if this condition is met. Okay, hit enter. So A1 greater than 50, this is not true in this case. It is 10, it is less than 50, so it will return true. Okay, so it's opposite of F. Here it is returning false because A1 is greater than 50, A7 is greater than 50 is meeting, so it will return false. We can also combine this with an if statement. Okay, so let's say we combine it with if statement. If not A1 50, that means this condition is not met. That means A1 will be less than 50. So we can write a custom statement. A1 less than 50, and if condition is false, that means A1 is greater than 50 is not true. That means we will write A1 greater than 50. Okay, and now you can see that this is giving those kind of statements with a combining thing. So this is how you can use not function in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.